Welcome to this Vista World Art Resin video. We're going to show you how Vista customer Olivers Woodworks made fabulous chopping boards using offcuts of wood, Vista Ocean resin and Vista pigments. These pieces of wood only cost a few pounds from the local wood merchant. You can even ask the merchant to plane it to the required depth. The wood is being set into a silicone form and held in place ready for the resin pour using clamps. The clamps utilise polypropylene tape to prevent the resin sticking to the blocks. For this pour, Oliver is using Vista Ocean, a fantastic product for these mid-range pours. It's the perfect combination of not overheating, but will produce enough heat to get a fantastic result. Vista Ocean is a 2-to-1 resin mixed using a drill and paddle until fully blended. After mixing, the Vista colour pigments can be added. For this pour, Oliver selected Royal Blue and our metallic booster. The booster is great for giving a metallic feel to any pour. Let's make it happen, let's go all night. The resin should be left to cure for 24 to 48 hours, and once set, it can be demolded. The chopping board is then planed to size to remove any excess resin. Care should be taken to wear a mask for this process. And finally, the board is sanded to give a perfect finish. Oliver added 2 coats of a wood polish to really bring out the vibrancy and the colour in the wood and the resin. And there you have it. The total cost in wood, resin and pigments was £24.20 or $32, and these go for around double that online. So a great product and a great profit to be had. Thanks to Oliver for his excellent work using Vista products, and we hope to see him again soon on this channel.